Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can create a conference call by merging contacts using your Android device. What you are basically supposed to do, just select a source contact, which we just first contact, so that you can add the other ones. So this is my source contact, which I use to add the other contact. The contact is calling now. So as you can see, the contact is dialing. So we should just give it time so that the individual who you are calling should first pick the call. And after picking the call, now you can be able to add the second recipient. So let me add the second recipient here. So just click add call. Then I'll come and add the call here. Then I'll call another contact here, which is basically my mom who I'm calling. So I want to create a conference call based on 2 people, but you can add as many contacts as you can. So it's just click add, select the contact, and then call that contact. So but let me show you. From there now, you're supposed to click merge. And after you merge, now you can see the interface has changed to conference call. So you can add as many contacts as you can, and you can be able to converse by using one source contact, because now this conference call is hosting 3 people, but it can hold a conference of as many people as possible. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any rewarding content like this. In case you need to add the other contact during the conference, you can come here, either select it from your contacts and dial OK, or just basically enter it here and call it. So that is the process. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future rewarding content like this. So after completing this activity, what you can do, you can just click cancel, or in case you want to hold a call, you can just click hold, and these are the interface. So thank you for watching, and may God bless you.